Hi, Doctors Bell and Dr. Studleys. My name is Jessica from Complete Chiropractic Marketing, and today I'm going to show you a video on a few things that you can implement today so you can start bringing in more new customers. So, as you can see, we are on your website. It looks like you have a decent looking website, some great Google reviews. And it looks like you have a little bit of content. I'm not seeing much for keywords. So content is key. Google wants to see a minimum of 1,000 to 1,500 words on your homepage, which equals 150 words for every local buyer intent keyword you're trying to target. When patients are looking for the services, they don't necessarily know the name of the practice, but they know that they're in pain or they know the services that they need, and those are the terms that they're going to be searching. And so those are the terms that you need to be using. So you're going to need to work on your content and keyword strategy. Um, so Google does not rank based on appearance. They have little robots that are called crawlers, and they go and they index every single one of your pages looking for your content and keywords so that they can rank you based on those keywords and put you in front of those new patients. So you want to make sure that you have a separate page for every specific service and or condition that you guys treat. And you want to make sure that you have the appropriate amount of content and keywords for each and every page. Now, if we look at your top competitor in Sacramento, it's Progressive Chiropractic and Massage. They also have a nice website. You can see that they're going for the local buyer intent keywords. And see, as you can see, they have a lot more content. So in order to beat these guys, you're going to have a lot more content throughout your entire website than these guys do, and you're going to have to focus on that keyword strategy. So the next thing I want to show you is this is a program we use to determine how your website is performing. And as you can see, you have a score of a 3.8 on Google's trust flow. That means that Google does not have a whole lot of trust in your website. And that has 100% to do with your referring domains and backlinks. So you just don't have enough high quality backlinks. And of the backlinks that you have, it looks like you're pushing all the backlinks to your homepage. So you're going to need a lot more backlinks, and you're going to need backlinks going to each of your pages. Because you don't have a whole lot of content, you're indexed for 179 keywords, and you're only seeing about 71 people on average to your website per month. If we look at your competitor, they also have a very low domain rating, but they have over 200 backlinks that they're pushing to the homepage. And that actually will hurt them a little bit. They need to have backlinks pushed to the homepage as well as their service and back pages. But they're being indexed for over 289 keywords. And so as you can see, they're actually getting organic traffic of 774 people on average per month. So that's a significant amount of traffic that you're missing out on. Now, for backlinks, not all backlinks are created equal. And what a backlink actually is, it's when one website links to your website and drives traffic to that website. Google likes this because it's like a popularity contest. So the more relevant that website is to your services that you provide, the more authority it is, and the higher it's going to rank you. And your backlinks are closely tied to your content and your keywords. You want to make sure you're getting those authoritative backlinks and you're attaching it to your keywords for all of your pages. And the last thing I want to talk about real quick is the Google Map Pack or Google My Business page. Your goal should be to be in the top 3 of this section for your keywords. This is a really critical piece because 30% of people come straight to the maps and either do a click to call or go straight to the website, and they're not going to go any further. So if you're not in this top 3, you're handing over all the new patients to your competition. And it's a highly competitive spot. And in order to get in the top 3, there's a number of different factors, but the biggest one is something called citations, which is the name of your practice, your address, your phone number, and your website, and having those listed in a variety of places like Yelp, Facebook, Yellow Pages, and LinkedIn. And so you need to have a lot more of those citations than your top competitors. Now, if you follow these tips that I've given you today, your practice's website can be number 1 on Google in Sacramento. So now you're probably wondering, well, what do I do now? Well, you can either take this information I've provided you and apply it yourself, which is completely okay because this is just free education. I just ask that you go ahead and give me some feedback and let me know what you thought of this video. However, if you decide you would like help bringing in those new patients and you don't want to have to do this yourself, go ahead and give us a call at the number on your screen and we can chat. Thank you so much for watching, and I look forward to hearing from you soon.